Hi everyone, welcome back to Avo Tutorials. Today I would like to share something really cool with you, and that is an automation solution using Zapier. The solution I've created is automating the process of sourcing and recommending artists for events. This process is going to be between two parties, which are the event agencies and the music labels. The reason why I've created this is because I've seen a couple of problems when I've been working in these two industries. First one is event agencies. The problem is they tend to not know what artists are available that is within their budget. And number two is they struggle to do up quotes, while waiting for music labels to respond. And on the other hand, music labels also have their problems. They have to manually compile the artist details and then reply to the email. On top of that, they also receive all kinds of emails and messages from different parties, not just for booking events, maybe for jobs or other things that's going on within the label, and so they might miss out business opportunities. Therefore, with this workflow that I've created, it's going to streamline that whole process. So this workflow is going to be using a couple of applications that is going to be integrated using Zapier: Google Form, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Gmail, and Joyform. So the workflow starts with a new form response. After an event agency fills in, then the system will look up rows in master database that is matching the criteria that they need. It will then create a spreadsheet with all the information and then attach it to an email and send it over to the form responder. Last but not least, a WhatsApp notification will also be sent to the admin using Joyform. Now I would like to show you a demo on what happens before automation and with automation, so you can see the value of this solution. Before automation, you can see that we have to compile all the artist information. For example, here I want to compile everything related to Justin Bieber, which is his name. I want to have his Spotify link. I want to have his Instagram link, and then also populate in one of his popular songs. So that way the event agencies will know. And keep in mind, this demo is only showing one artist that I have to compile. Imagine having 10 and 20, it's going to take you a long time. So after compiling all the artist lists, then I have to make sure that the sharing access is updated, and then I have to craft an email. So crafting an email also takes time, but all of these can be done with automation. Now I'm going to show you with automation. So we will have a Google form that's going to be set up for the event agencies to fill in with all the necessary details that we need, like email, name, contact number, event details, when is it, where will it be held, and also their budget, as well as the genre of artist that they're looking for, which is really important because those are the criteria that the workflow and the system will use to pull out necessary information. Okay, cool. Now the form has been submitted and the timer started. So now we just have to wait for the email to come in. Okay, now around the 37-second mark, the email is in. We'll click on the link and it will straight away open up the list of artists. So in the same task, it takes about 37 seconds. With an added on task, which is the WhatsApp notification, it takes about an additional 30 seconds to open up and see the information that the system has compiled. There you go. We have all the information we need. Without automation, we need 2 minutes. With automation, we need 37 seconds. With automation and with an add-on of WhatsApp notification is 67 seconds. In total, it is still going to be less than the 2 minutes that we have to spend to do the task manually. If I were to create this use case again and add on some improvements, number one is to have a multi-checklist on the Google form to select a couple of genres, because maybe the event agencies are looking for different kind of artists, and they don't have to fill in the form again and again. Number 2 is to export and attach the recommended artist list in PDF instead, because not everybody have access to Google. Number 3 is to create another action in the workflow, and that is to remind the music labels to respond. So this will act as a trigger for them to decide whether to decline or respond to the request. And that's it with my solution. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to learn how to build this, please click on the link in the description down below. You'll be guided to a Gumroad page where it will show you the step-by-step tutorial video on how to create that whole automation solution using Zapier. It is free, but if you think that you would like to contribute a little bit more to the channel, do feel free to adjust and purchase and get automating. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments down below on what would you like me to automate. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Avo Tutorials. Thank you. Bye.